How to Use the Schedule of Classes at UC San Diego by Sixth College Academic Advising. You can find the UCSD Schedule of Classes by going to Triton Link Tools at students.ucsd.edu and clicking Schedule of Classes under Classes and Enrollment Tools. The UCSD Schedule of Classes is a university tool that allows you to search through courses offered during a chosen quarter or academic period. It is a helpful tool for viewing information like class meeting times and days, restrictions and prerequisites, instructor and number of available seats, which is all helpful information for deciding which classes to take before enrollment. Within the schedule of classes, you'll see 5 different ways to search for classes: subject, department, code, section ID, and professor or title. You can also filter results by course level, like lower division, upper division, or graduate, and meeting times. You can select or enter a range of different course codes and numbers in each filter, or search for an individual course, depending on the search you are most interested in. Once you have entered your criteria, click Search. Depending on the department, you may see important information below your search, like prerequisite and course information. Below this, you will see the expected course offerings for your chosen academic period. Course numbers will be displayed on the left side of the table, with prerequisites, resources, and course evaluations to the right of each header. Below the course title, information about meeting type, days, time, location, instructor, and seats is available across each row. You will want to use information about class meeting times and days, restrictions and prerequisites, instructor, and number of available seats to decide which classes you want to take. Continue this process with different search criteria until you have made a decision about the classes you want to take. After you've selected your classes, get ready to use WebReg Online registration to enroll or waitlist in your planned courses. Please note that the schedule of classes, including information contained within it, is subject to change. Visit six.ucsd.edu for more SIX news and helpful resources, or go to vac.ucsd.edu to ask a question, contact advising, or meet with an advisor. Thanks for watching.